This is going to be the most embarrassing story I've ever told, but I'm going to tell you because I want to help people manifest faster and easier. And I'm talking about in minutes. And I know that may sound crazy, but I'm going to show you how to do it right here in this video here. So I'll never forget. Listen, when everything goes wrong, and this is important for you to really listen to, when everything goes wrong in your life, everything, all that means that something amazing is about to happen. I'm going to show you proof. I was about 31 years old. I had 3 children. I was staying in an apartment here in Houston, Texas. It was in the ghetto, in the hood. Okay, that's all I can afford at the time. I was paying about $700 per month. And I had bills, and I had a little job. And I remember leaving that night, going to take a young lady out. And while I was driving to her house, I got pulled over. I think I was speeding, not sure. And that night, I went to jail because I had a traffic ticket 2 years ago that I forgot all about. Now, check it out. Now, this is where it gets horrible, okay? Now, listen, at this time, like, I'm reading books. I'm trying to better my life, right? I think when we hit 30-something, like, we say, you know what? I screwed up my 20s, and it's time for me to get things right, right? Let me tell you what happened. It's horrible. I was in jail for 2 weeks only because my parents didn't have $2,500 to get me out. I had no money in the bank account because I was living paycheck to paycheck. When I finally got out, I went from one jail in Harris County to another jail because I had another warrant, which kind of pissed me off. And then when I finally got out of jail, I can't make this up. I'm going home. My parents had to pick me up, and I'm at the door, and there's a lockbox. I can't get in my apartment because I didn't pay the rent. I had to go next door to stay on the floor of my friend's apartment. The next morning, I get a call. I just lost my job. I was making like $40,000, $50,000 a year. Lost the job. They let me go. And not just that. When I went out to go find my card to go search for another job, it was gone. Now, thinking about that, you may say, "Dan, that's terrible, right?" But check this out. I did this one thing. Let me be honest. It wasn't an affirmation. It wasn't watching more of The Secret. It wasn't motivation. It wasn't Tony Robbins. It wasn't Joe Dispenza. It wasn't none of this stuff. I did this one thing, and my entire life changed. Less than 6 months. Less than 6 months. Not only did I make $1 million in 1 month, I was able to retire my parents. I bought me a better place for me and my children. I blessed the mother of my children with a brand new car and a brand new house, all because I did this one thing. And I want you to do this now. I deleted every limiting belief and thought from my brain. Okay? Listen to me. The problem is your brain is filled with negativity. Okay? Let me give you an example. It's like trying to plant flowers in a garden that has weeds there. You want to plant a beautiful life, right? You want to do all the things that God wants you to do and that what you want to do for yourself. But the garden is full of weeds. And it doesn't matter how many positive seeds that you plant. If you don't rip those weeds out, the flower never grows here, okay? So the point is, I want you to comment below. I must delete to completely have the life that I deserve to have. You got to delete what's negative and what's limiting here first. Now listen, I have a script that I've created. It took me 10 years to do this after reading 1,000 books, going to so many seminars and spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. I have a script. It's simple, okay? Less than a minute long. You listen to it. And what it does is it scrubs your mind of negative thoughts and limiting beliefs. I'm going to leave it in the link below. Click learn more to download it. Tonight, this is all I want you to do. Before you knock it, I want you to try it. It's not meant to make you $1 million. Not meant for you to be this insane. Listen, it's to delete everything that's in your mind that is hurting you so you can accept the new things that will begin to rebuild you. Okay? We're not looking for money. We're looking for transformation. If you're looking for transformation, click learn more in the but I'll leave a link below, and I'll see you on the next page. Let's go!